Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by verifying your Mac model supports Macos Monterey and that you have room. Check for at least 20 GB free space before proceeding with any install. Back up your Mac using Time Machine or a bootable clone to an external 1 TB drive. Sign out of iCloud, iMessage, and deactivate Find My before erasing the Mac. Save any license keys and note app settings you want to restore later. Ensure your Mac has a full charge or is plugged in during the process. Download Macos Monterey from the App Store to the Applications folder. Verify the installer file size and that it finished downloading completely to avoid errors. Prepare a blank 16 GB USB drive and format it as Macos Extended, journaled, if needed. Open Terminal and run the Create Install Media command exactly as Apple documents for the installer. Label the USB drive clearly and eject it when the process finishes successfully. Keep your Apple ID and admin password handy for later authentication steps. Shut down your Mac and restart while holding the Option key to boot. Select the USB installer drive from the Startup Manager to begin the process. Open Disk Utility from the Installer Utilities menu and erase the startup disk, formatting it as Apps for SSDs. Confirm the erase operation and wait until it completes before closing Disk Utility. Choose Install Macos Monterey and follow on-screen prompts to complete installation, which can take 30 to 60 minutes depending on hardware. After installation, sign in with your Apple ID and restore data from your backup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.